They don't call it street magic for nothing. We're here to make the impossible possible. I spun the wheel, I ended up back here at Seaside Heights. Be sure to click, hit, and smash that subscribe button to see new epic magic every week. Only here on That's So Magic. Point to your favorite. Set the right here. That's right. Watch.
Oh, he's drunk.
Behind his tongue or something up here.
No.
Holding it, you might find something.
Yo!
What?
That's cool. That's cool. You got a hole already. Wow. Yo, we shot the fuck out, bro. Here we go. Good feel it. Ready?
Holy shit!
Find the sweet spot. I know you have a sweet spot. I mean, I could break them, but I'm not gonna do that.
Oh my god!
Have you seen the new phone cases? Holy shit! Hold your hand out. Gone? Open it. Look. Yeah! I don't want you to think I'm cheating.
What? That shit was cool. Yo, where's the guitar?
Grab out a card really quick. Hold that out loud. Ready? One, two, three.
Stop.
You're thinking of your card, right?
Sure.
I want you to see it here. Come close. Look.
Oh, heart.
Heart.
Wow.
Slowly flip your hand over and open. So you're gonna be doing my makeover right now.
Yay.
I just need your hands. Oh, perfect. That's all I need. I just need both of them. I've already done it.
What do they do? They got to do with like devil and stuff like that? Oh god, yes. They do that now, I'm like.
It's not really the black magic. It's more.
He saw my shirt, and it's a church burning. That's why he freaked out.
I gotta go like this. I can't use my own style.
As long as it doesn't go anywhere. Can't go out here, right? Ready?
You recognize me.
Wait, what?
So you haven't seen him disappear like this. What the? All right.
Whoa.
But there's. Got it? You're thinking of a card. 8 of spades.
Why are you hiding my TV?
Very, very famous YouTube performers. Okay, stop. 10 of hearts. Right.
Yo, you're a fucking magician.
Is that your card? No. 2 hearts. Look. I'm kidding. That actually was my card. That was my card.
He was about to start crying.
Take the best one. Oh!
Wait, it's drying hella fast. I don't like this. Wait, you could do this out of any napkin?
This man is going to show you some change.